Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a shoe haul, and it's from the store Shoe Show Corporation, which is two stores in one, which is Shoe Show Mega and Shoe Show Encore. I ordered this from their online store. They do have like actual stores, but they're only like in the South, and I'm not there right now. So I ordered this from online on shoeshowmega.com, and for their 60th anniversary, they have free ground shipping, and it's been going on for a while. Regular shipping is $6.99, and they have pretty good deals on them. Now I ordered these on September 28th. And they shipped in 2 separate packages. I have 5 pairs of shoes. I got the first set on October the 2nd, and the other pairs on October the 3rd. So they came within like the same week, because I ordered mine technically like Sunday night, but it didn't post until that Monday on the 28th. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the prices and everything that I got from. So this is from the It's Okay brand. And certain shoes I got in a 9. And certain shoes I got in an 8.5. It just depends on the shoe, because I know how my feet are. So this originally price was $25.99. I guess in the store. But I ended up getting them for $8.49. Inside the store, their original price was $25.99. Let me explain this. And then it says $16.98 on the box. So that's how much it actually was on the website. But since certain shoes was buy one get one half off, this was the pair that was half off. So eventually I end up getting them for $8.49, and it's just like some black pumps. And again, I have it in a 9, and it's from the brand It's Okay. And the heel's not that high, it's like 3 inches, so it should be fine. And the bottom looks like this. So again, this was $8.49. I needed like some more dress shoes. This is the first pair. These are the black pumps. And as you can see, the heel is not that high. I got them in the 9. I could have got away with a 9.5, because they are kind of loose. So yeah, I could have got away with an 8.5. So this is the second pair from this group. So I realized, I see why they came separately, because on their website it's Shoe Show Mega, but they have 2 divisions. They have a Shoe Show Mega side, then they have a Shoe Encore side. I ordered 3 pairs from the Shoe Encore side, and then 2 pairs from the Shoe Show Mega side. So that's why I'm assuming it came in 2 separate packages. But this is the second pair. These are just some clear. These were $19.98. So this was part of the buy one get one. So I bought this one, and then I got the black one for half off. And they look like this. So it's just like some clear pumps. And looks like this on the bottom. And it's like a rose gold for the inside. They did have some with the inside was black, but I assumed that these would go better with clothing. So these are the other 9s. Now these fit tighter on my feet than the black ones. That's why I said different shoes run differently. It's tighter on my toes, but they actually like fit me or whatever, but it's just tight on my toes a little bit. But I still have room in the top of the shoe on the toe part. And the heel's not that high as well. Well, it looked like it maybe 3.5 to 4. But yeah. But I do like the shoes though. I just have to break them in. So again, these are the two pumps. These are the two pumps. They felt so good on me. And it does come with a little billing statement here. It has my address on it, so I'm not going to turn it on. And it's telling you your orders may ship in different packages with different packaging slips. To return the item, please refer to shoeshow.com/returns. So that's the first set of shoes. Next we have these. These were $12.99. It's like a 3-inch heel. It's not that long. It's like a strappy heel. Looks like this in the inside. Like this. And I got these in an 8.5. Like the pumps I got in a 9 because I didn't want my toes to be, I don't know, not comfortable. And I don't want to get corns or anything. So yeah. And this is from the brand CM. Chelsea Moreland's Ideal. I will link the website down there. This is not paid promotion. I bought everything with my own money. This is the brand. Next we have these. I really do like how these fit. These are like strappy heels. And the heel is only like 3.5 inches, maybe 3. And they feel really, really nicely on my feet. This is the 8.5. I like how you look on my feet. Feels really good, comfortable, sturdy. So yeah, so this is the next brand, Report Shoes. And these are just like some little flats, so well, not really flats because it has probably like a little 1-inch heel on the back. But I thought these were so cute. Yeah, these were only $8.49. And I got these in an 8.5. We have these. These was an 8.5. I probably could have got an 8. They kind of feel kind of loose. I did have some shoes like this before from another brand, from like a flea market or something, but I like them. They go cute with a little casual outfit throughout the day. They seem like a taupe color. And this is the last pair. Is from Anne Klein, I'm sorry. And this was $6.49. And I thought these were so cute and look so comfy. It's like kind of like preppy type. And they're very, very lightweight. This is how it looks in the inside. It has this little thing in here. And it has a little gold thing on the back here. And the bottom is white. So yeah. Last but not least, I have these. These are 8.5 and they feel so good on my feet. You can wear them without socks. I don't know if I'm going to do that because my feet sweat. So, I don't know. Unless it's like cold outside or something. But, yeah. These are 8.5. I like how they feel. Feel really loose. I feel preppy. So yeah, so these are the shoes. And for my grand total for all these shoes, I only paid $56.44, and it was free shipping, no tax or anything like that. So they'll put the shipping cost on there, and then you'll see a deduction from the shipping cost, so it cancels out. And all 5 pairs of shoes was only $56, guys. I'm so glad my cousin told me about this store, because she was inside the actual store, and I'm like, I've never heard that before, and I googled it, and I saw how cheap the shoes were, and I'm like, okay, yeah. So I bought 5 pair just to try, to see how they fit and all that stuff. I didn't want to go crazy, so I can go back and do like another order another day. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave it down below. I have 2 ebooks for Wags 1 and 2 on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Kindle Unlimited Revo's part for free. That will be linked down as well. I have an advice column, DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com. You can write it to me, and I'll be sure to answer your questions on camera in a dedicated video. Follow me on all my social medias. That's down below as well. And I have more exciting videos and try-on hauls and everything that's coming up. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and thumbs up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.